More than 2 decades ago, we were the first in Europe to produce a new, modern material, Kerrock. This is a material produced by mixing aluminum hydroxide and acrylic-based polymer adhesives. It combines the quality of nature and the advantages of composite materials. The basic form of the Kerrock material produced by Kolpa is panels of typical dimensions. The panels are formed into the desired shapes with the help of further processes. The exceptional adjustability of the Kerrock material gives us endless opportunities for imaginative creations. It captivates us with its freshness and clean forms. It helps us realize bold designing solutions. It has proven to be of exceptional quality in interior design and for the exterior design of buildings. Its wide variety of colors and dimensions allows us to shape it into various innovative images. The treatment of Kerrock is simple. It is treated in the same manner as wood, with the usual wood-making processing machines. The excellence of the final treatment is the key advantage that gives the products the expected aesthetical appearance and usable quality. Kerrock panels can be stored horizontally or vertically. We have to make sure they are evenly supported and that they do not bend. Kerrock is mostly sawed with format saws used to cut standard panels. Band saws or jig saws are used for rough cutting. The cut edges need to be even, without splinters, since this is the only way it can be glued together seamlessly. Kerrock is milled on portable or fixed woodworking milling machines. Milling allows us to create different shapes of edges and arches, round, straight, curved, and even styled. The main bearing should be protected from wear and tear so that it does not damage the Kerrock surface. Kerrock panels can be turned into different shapes with thermal heating. They can be curved and partly molded into three-dimensional shapes. They are heated in furnaces at temperatures between 150 and 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the thickness of the material. The panes that we wish to mold thermally need to have smoothly cut edges in order to avoid the cutting effect and micro cracks. The heated panel is molded in two-sided molds, which help us get the desired shape after the panels cool down to room temperature. You can drill into Kerrock with hand or fixed drilling machines with drills made from free cutting steel or vidia. If screws need to be inserted into the Kerrock panel, a brass or PVC caps need to be used. Kerrock is turned on wood on metal lathes. The processing parameters are similar to those for processing soft metals. A two-component acrylic glue is used to glue two Kerrock materials together. This gives us invisible seams, since the glue is the same color as the Kerrock panels. Instructions have to be followed closely to prepare the glue and implement the seam. The number of the color on the glue has to match the color number on the Kerrock plate. Before applying the glue to the edges of two pieces, we have to make sure that the two parts fit together perfectly. The glue is inserted into the fissure between the two elements and then squeezed together into their final position. The glue should dry for 45 minutes. Further processing is recommended after 2 hours of setting. The seam achieves its final firmness after 24 hours. Kerrock can be glued to all materials with permanently elastic silicone or polyurethane glues that allow stretching of the glued elements and prevent deformation of the products. Before gluing the Kerrock bowl together, check the cut and how it fits to the work surface. Apply Kerrock glue to the arch of the cut and place the bowl on top. It is recommended that the glued bowl is weighed down more. In order to achieve its final form, the Kerrock product needs to be ground. We use electrical machines with suction for grinding. It has to be gradual for the best surface treatment, and the tools must not apply too much pressure to the surface area. We start with the grinding paper with rough granulation and gradually continue to fine granulation. If we wish to get a shining Kerrock surface, we continue with polishing. Even though Kerrock's appearance reminds us of stone, it is a pleasant and warm material to the touch. Its surface area prevents damage and maintains the beautiful appearance of smooth surfaces for a long time. It is smooth, non-porous, massive, and homogeneous. This makes it very firm and tough. It is heat-resistant and fireproof. It is insensitive to external and internal climate. Its non-porous characteristic gives it absolute resistance to water and moisture. Stains from different food and chemicals do not damage it. Kerrock Medical contains an antibacterial agent which is included in the whole structure of the material, which continues to kill the bacteria and prevents their further development. Kerrock lumino lighting of spaces awakens the senses, thoughts, and perceptions of the world. A wide variety of color shades create a space where usability and creativity come to life. Kerrock is popular because of its simple cleaning and maintenance. Different stains and scratches can be removed with water and usual cleaning detergents. In order to achieve a freshness of color, we recommend fine abrasive cleaning detergents. Complete restoration is possible with grinding and polishing. Kerrock has received a number of expert awards due to its numerous shapes, functionality, and aesthetic appearance.